Good morning, everyone. Today we are here on another tutorial. Today we are just going to design a simple background for our project. We are not going to do much, so follow the process. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new, and you also click on the notification bar so that you get notified anytime that we post a new project. Let's start. So before we start, we have to create a new layer. We have to create a new page for our project. That is, with this, we are going to name here, let's say, background, background, background design. We'll set our width to 10 by 1080 pixels, then height 1080 pixels as well, and our resolution is 300. Then we create. To proceed with everything, I have to save my project so that I don't lose it. Should in case my laptop crashes, or maybe if you have a machine that is not sustaining on a battery, should in case there's light out, you get that problem. So let me save my work. Let me go to save as, go to my computer, and where I normally save my tutorials. Let me go to tutorials, open, then save my work here. Save. So we are good to go. Now, without wasting much time, I've already gone through certain part of the designs with you. So before I start, I'll start with going to this section of the page and create new solid layer. So this is solid, this solid layer. I'm going to actually create maybe, let's say, a reddish kind of background. So let me create something like this. Then from here, I want to adapt to make the background catchy. You don't understand. So I'll go to the same place, then choose the gradient layer. So on the gradient layer, I can choose to add something that will actually blend with the color red and make it more nicer. Okay, so I'll click on the gradient panel, then try to be working around it. So I'll click here to pick a color from the page, but something lighter. Did something lighter. Then I'll have to take this. I'll delete this. I'll make sure this is also on the same color. Then when you come here, you set it to radial. Okay, so this is exactly what I want. So I want to open up small. No, it's too much. Let me reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Then click OK. So this is basically a simple background, but we are not done yet. Let me add another layer. Then go and choose brush. I'll choose the soft round brush from the general brushes. Then I want to create a darker externals of the background. So actually, I'll I'll pick I'll enter Alt to pick a color sample from the main background. Then I'll click on the color panel, then choose something darker. Then come the surroundings and just be clicking just to make the surroundings more darker. You can as well use the gradient to create something of that sort. So with this, I think it's perfectly done. Let me add a little lightening to my design to make it more nice as well. I'll go here and choose level. So then I'll drag and see to make it something very catchy. So you can see the difference. So this is the way you can design a simple background without taking much time. Let me open up this thing small. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is KNS Graphics. Bye bye.